Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can list on Craigslist account. Keep watching the video till the end. To list on Craigslist, firstly open your Google search. Type in Craigslist and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. Log into your account if you are not logged in and it will take you to the home page of Craigslist account. Click on Post Ad option. Choose a type of posting and tap on Continue. Enter a category of a post and click on Continue. Enter a posting title, city, postal code, description of post, posting details including rent per month, square feet, private room type, housing types and its other features, available date, and click on Continue. On the next page, add a picture if you want to and tap on Done with Images. Scroll all the way down and tap on Publish. This is how you can list on Craigslist quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.